Today is a very special day because today is the day I got my iMac. It's such a dream come true and I'm so incredibly excited for this. This would not be possible without you, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm so excited. Let's get unpacking. Oh my god, I got the big keyboard? I did not know that.
Complete history of the Peloponnesian War?
Well, sure, because a partial history would skip all the dirty stuff.
Oh my god. It doesn't even feel real to me or something. This is just so incredible. And besides the iMac, I love the new setup. Like, I think it looks so good. And the pretty pictures. I just used really thick paper, not normal printing paper, because I know it doesn't turn out that well. I'm so happy with my iMac. It is so incredibly pretty. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And I cannot believe that I got the big keyboard. I did not know that it would come with a bigger keyboard because I had no options for keyboard or mouse. I am obsessed. I was afraid it was gonna be too big, but luckily it fits right. I'm gonna go and edit videos on it now. I'm so incredibly curious how that's gonna go. Thank you so much. I feel so grateful. We also just reached 40,000 subscribers. I'm just beyond grateful, and I love you with all my heart. Thank you so much for making this possible. Thank you for supporting me and sticking with me. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to become a part of the family, and I will see you in my next video.